Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I am artistic restorer, sail ship model builder for a very long time. And I will start with the video to help you maybe with some ideas how to build railing, steel railing in very simple environment conditions in a small place you work with the simple tools you have around you. This is mostly the case of many sailship model builders, but still we do beautiful job work. I will try now to start with preparing material. What is a steel wire? I will show you that now. You have, for example, this one, what is already finished. As you see, I have a drawing on the board exactly matching what I have to do. How to do it? As you see, I have a steel wires. They are mostly cutted and loose. Then I put them in the drawing what is always in the scale of the models you are doing, because everything is loose, very loose. We have actually somehow fix that and to put straight on the board we use as a base, and I do that in this way. As you see, it holds perfectly because it should not be loose, actually should be firm because of welding process. Then I lift the wires, as you see, nicely, moving this piece of wire on the line here, and then just adjusting this to the right place to have later perfect shape. This is one, and then you go with a couple of those, just carefully doing, because more you put, the more loose it is, and you have to check and to control everything. As you see, I will put another, my big head pin holder. Okay, just no rush. No rush. We are doing something where actually we usually have enough time and we know what we want to do, and we are just trying until we are close what we want. This means, as you see, this last wire is pretty loose, and we are going to pin that down with another big head pin. The middle one, same thing, going down, well, right. As you see, we have two of these small posts in the place we need. If you think should be moved a little bit, I just do this like this, slightly in the position I think should be. Then we have a beginning of the welding. What is a welder post? Like this or like this. Welder post what is going actually to be crucial in the cleanup and magically helping us to weld that together. Otherwise your try will be no real success. That means just go around the wires with a brush, and you will see now how actually will nicely hold. This means this is the one of the big help to clean up and speed up. The another one is this one. Then without, you see, without this rod what is already prepared for the welding will be process impossible. On the side I have a welder, the small one, the hobby one, actually warming up on the side, usually on the steel base, not to burn your kitchen, apartment or the workshop. We put a welder on the place we want to put together to actually lift the temperature, as that will hold much better when the temperature is the post and the long wire together. Hold a little bit, and whatever is more, as you see, we will take that with the files off. The most important thing is this, as you see, and then later we can actually move, bend, clean with the files, with the sandpaper, whatever. The next step is mostly a jewelry operation. Actually, more you clean, better it looks like. If you really have a real love doing yourself, this is one of the ways, because most of the models today, they are just buying prepared or completely finished thing. As you see how that holds nicely, we move welder on the steel base, and actually we see what we did. If we want to go with another one, post, we have to take off the big head pins, and I do like this, and I do like this, see, and it's going out, and another one too, right, good. Then we take another prepared already small piece going under the first wire. The second one will be a real problem, but we will find a solution for this in this way, taking this stuff out, okay, and we free actually working spot going under, as you see. Then we have adjustment again, right. What we have to do now is to pin it down to help ourselves good, right. Another one, and then the middle one, good. Now this is firm. We have to adjust the form before welding that together, because later it's too late for any adjustment. Okay, then we repeat the same thing. We take a brush and actually flux just a little bit, not too much, putting then on the places we have to weld, as you see, like this. Just enough all around, and will give you really clean, fast welding job. Again, we go on the place we should weld, warm it up. The temperature is very important in this process. You can see that pasta is nearly bubbling, and that means boiling. This means it's ready now, you see, it's melting straight away, and you touch that a little bit together, both wires, and the temperature will actually provide you help to be later stick together. Same thing as here, we should hold a little bit longer, that everything warm up. Same temperature, the bottom one and the top one, and actually welding material is going all around and holding. The last one here, we hold it again, right? More time you give to the work will be really better result, right? This is now, I think, enough for you to understand how these things are going. It's taking some time, but whatever we do is taking some time, as you know, and is a pleasure for us, because we are special breed humans doing things in our way. Not always our job or work is clean and good, but the beauty of what we do is we repeat that again, and you check that the bottom side, okay, right, is now most important thing, not to touch too early. You take a file and you go in the next process, taking whatever is more than we need with the big flat file. After this we have small files, and we are stepping in jewelry business. As you know, in what you do with a sail ship modeling, most of the things are just like this. Doing the things carefully, long hours. How long? As much as we need. Many people not ready for this, but we do that. Right, we have files now. As you see, we have these corners, and as a square file, we go in the corner and we clean it up. Other corner, we clean it up. Another one here, and another one here, another one here, the bottom one, and the things are already looking promising. Most important thing is to have some routine in welding with a small welder, not a huge temperature, but a small one for electronic, and to have enough nerves, as you can see, going little by little. As you see, I did it already, this one, but still you have something to clean, and you go there and you clean that nicely. Whatever you think should be taken off. For example, this one, Good. This one. Well, whatever you see, just do it, because more you actually work, the better will look, and you will feel later happy that you did a good job. The flat file will do great job for you to open the operation, taking most of this material off, and then only the corners you will do with these files, small files, will help you. Well, this is the basic and the principle of the welding. Anything you do, you see there are 3 actually wires, there are 2 wires, whatever actually your project is asking for, and you have to work on that until it's coming clean like this one, and that's the beauty of our work. I hope you found something what will help you in your next project or current project. Thank you for following me, and best in your projects. Next time I will go on with this project, show you the clean railing, another smaller one, and painting, and how it look finally before we are using that. Thank you for watching.